Hello friends, running Kimono here. So I did get out to the Dollar General first thing this morning and did a quick little haul, and it went perfectly other than one itty bitty snag, and I'll share that with you. This is a 100% digital deal. So if you could head out to the Dollar General today only, which is Saturday, January the 2nd, man, there are some deals and steals to be had and found. And yeah, so I'm just going to walk you through what I did exactly. If you want to mirror the deal, that's great. If you're also from the Midwest and you have a Meijer store, I have a couple deals that are also for Saturday the 2nd only, and we'll dive into that at the end of the video. Okay, guys, so I'm just going to walk you through what I did and show you my little mistake. So this is where the mistake happened right off the bat. I grabbed one of these guys because I needed at least $20 of gain merchandise to get both the 5 off of 20 and the 5 off of 25 to work. Both of the boosters are working, but there are 2 manufacturer coupons for this specific product, and the smallest one came off first, not the $3 one. So that's the little error. If you wanted to grab the flings, like a detergent for $6.95, and then the plugs, and do one of those larger baskets of nothing but gain products, but just be warned, for whatever reason, that $2 one is in fact working now, instead of the 3, the biggest one, coming off. So I actually paid an extra $1. That was the only snafu, but again, this is a 100% digital deal, so I don't think it's the absolute worst thing. And then I was able to find these. They had a lot at my store, and they actually had a bunch too on an end cap. So look around that air care aisle, because they have quite a few that are really plentiful. And as you can see, the 5 off, we have the 5 off of 20 and then the 5 off of 25. So you know you're grabbing the right thing. Everything's lining up, stacking up beautifully. So that's great. And then I also grabbed one of these Mucinex for $5.50. Find that at the front of the store with all the cold and flu medication, and they have a whole variation of different Mucinex products for $5.50. Well, yesterday, I guess they were feeling really generous or something like that, or it still must be the Christmas spirit, because they gave us a $5 coupon for this, and it's working perfectly. So it really brings your basket up to 25, and it just works beautifully for this deal. So let's just look at the receipt really quick, and I'm going to jog you guys through the math. So one of the gain flings, $13.50 right at the top, and then I guess the Mucinex right there for $5.50, and then the Febreze plug for $9.50. So the total basket was $28.50. Subtracting the 2 $5 boosters, which is the 5 off of 25 for Saturday and the 5 off of 20 for gain, both of those came off. So the $10 of the Dollar General coupons, and then the $12 of digital manufacturers, the $5 for the Mucinex, the $5 for the Febreze, and then the $2 for the gain fling. So I ended up paying $6.50 for this plus tax. Not the worst deal, an extra $1, but I'm not going to lose sleep over this. It's still a fire deal. If you consider that gain fling 51 count is $13.50, this is just winning in every degree and angle. I'm just delighted with this. And I have a couple other, I'm going to do my husband's store card later today too, because to get this sort of gain merchandise this cheap, especially with 100% digital coupons, absolutely go for it and make something happen today, guys. This is a fire Saturday over at the Dollar General. I have 2 videos I will link at the end for other gain matchups if you have manufacturer coupons, other avenues to take to get this stuff at a rock bottom cost. Now let's scoot over to Meijer. Meijer is a grocery store based in the Midwest. They don't have a sister store. It's not like a Kroger, so please don't ask in the comments. So today their Christmas clearance hit 70, and as per the sign, it says that this is going to be going on until the 8th. So I think next Saturday, which will be the 9th, it's going to hit 90. So that's what I'm banking on. If there's some stuff that you've seen out and about that, you really are like, oh my gosh, I absolutely need it, 70% is a really good price point, and I think there was a ton of stuff left. So some of these deals are for today only, and some of them involve Christmas clearance. So this Serena Williams, it's a little deodorant, and then the deodorant ball, it's part of like one of those Christmas kits. I was able to find 2 of them today. And just to show you the front of it a little better, it's $4.79 at 70% off, which still seems like a bit of money. So this must have been made out of gold or something like that, but it was just a little bit. And some of these other kits are still like $3 or $4 or $5, and I'm just like, that is just way too much money. However, there's an M perk that's working on this kit that's expiring today, which is a $3 off. And even though the subtotal says between $10 and $15, it's still coming off for this product. As you can see, it's expiring today, so you have right up until midnight to grab this, and it's going to be $1.79. So as you can see, it's ringing up for $4.79. Subtracting that $3 coupon, $1.79, and you get a big deodorant and a deodorant ball. Clearance is always your mileage may vary, but hopefully you can go to Meijer today, track one of these down, and get this for $1.75. 2 deodorants, not the worst deal. Right near the Christmas clearance area, they have a bunch of different pocket bags, hand sanitizers, and a lot of hand soaps. And these little soft soaps that are almost impossible to find over at Walmart, well, at Meijer, they're 70% off, so they were 30 cents each. So it's always, again, your mileage may vary if they might have them in stock or not. The ones with the hedgehog, there was a ton of them in stock. I could have filled up 10 carts of it, but 30 cents for me for hand soap is a little bit much. My mother-in-law would probably fill up 10 carts of it because who doesn't need hand soap? But if you are in search of hand soap, it hits 70. So if you wanted to go on Sunday or later in the week, absolutely go for it. But I mean, what a great little deal. And just a reminder, guys, and I didn't buy any more of these because I want to use the rest of my coupons over at Dollar General, but these cranberry plugs, they probably hit 70 today too, but that $5 coupon will get reduced down to cost. You will not get overage at Meijer, but it makes it a free item. So I found these in the air care aisle, and they also had some on an end cap of like, here's some holiday plugs and Christmas magic. So go look for those today. And if you don't get the paper coupons, this is an M-Perk. This guy is valid till the 9th. So if you can't get out today, if you want to go look next week, again, I've been finding these on end caps where they have like a little display of different Christmas plugs and Christmas scents and Christmas magic, and also in the air care aisle. So one of 2 places, and that's a double pack of these plugs. How wonderful is that? And the M-Perks are basically a manufacturer coupon. It's just lingo at Meijer, and it's 1 per account. So you could just do this once per account, but you'll still get a double pack for free. How really awesome is that? Okay, so this final deal is to get a case, which is 30 rolls, 30 single rolls of Empress paper towel for $7.50. You can either do this in store. You know what I would do if I was you? And this is how I did it, was I just went online, placed an order for one of these, and did a curbside pickup. So you drive to the store, text a number, and then the people bring it out to you. And that was the easiest way. I thought messing around with 30 rolls of paper towel in the store would be maybe kind of a mess, and it would be a lot easier just to through the computer, put an order in, and then just find a window to pick it up. You would have to order this today, but it shakes out each paper towel to 25 cents each, which is a stock up price. And even if this is the worst paper towel ever, we're doing some home construction and we have cats, so we use a lot of paper towel to clean up after them. So, I mean, this is a fire deal. And today is the last day. So either go do this in store or do a curbside online pickup. $7.50 for 30 rolls of paper towel. That is a stock up price. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.